So if you've been loving my lights that I have going on in the background and in my live streams, you're gonna love as we unbox this Andycine RGB LED light. I'm pumped to get into it, so let's get to the unboxing. Hey, what's up, entrepreneurs? It's Diana here with Entre Woman TV, helping you simplify the video creation process. So whether it's one of our video tech type videos like we've been doing lately for live streaming and video creation, or it's a video marketing tip, both are here on the channel. So if that's something if you're into, definitely consider subscribing. So I am super pumped. Andycine sent me out this RGB LED light, and I have been wanting these for the longest time. Real quick, it is one of those lights that has like 360 colors. I'm really pumped and excited about it. On the back, it has some specs and some details there if you want to check those out. So slides out pretty cool. Oh, alrighty. Okay, so one thing, if it's important to you, it says it has 120 LEDs, some additional info on there worth looking at later. So the light, already the weight feels really good. Ooh, I like. This is not, that's not removable. So I like that. And got some buttons, nothing's named, but there's on the back there. And then that's a rocker. And then, yeah, but overall, quick build quality. I really like this. So let's turn this sucker on. Woo! Let there be light. It gets down to 10%, so from 100% to 10%, and this is 10% on the lighting. So if I wanted to move that over an arm's length away, not bad. Let's press some modes. Ooh, what is that, 10%? Oh no, it's at 100%. Okay, so that's interesting. We switched over to the colored light. We just tapped mode once. So now it's at 10%. So now you can kind of see some lighting kind of bouncing off of me. So if you push it, then it'll switch modes. And then you can change the hue and press and hold or tap one at a time, or adjust the brightness and increase that significantly or decrease it. So just the fact that it cycles through, like you don't have to press a button and then start it over to get it, like you can just keep cycling from 1 to 360. I like that a lot. So you could quickly get to, you're not sure what color that you want, you just kind of play around with a look and hold it down. So if I wasn't sure what I wanted, I could just hold it off to the side, and you can see that color kind of come in there and just seem like, oh yeah, I like it, and then let off of it. So that's pretty cool. And then let's tap mode again. It's saying you have 7 different modes. So if you got some kind of epilepsy or something, like, be careful. Ooh. So for the mode, I'm not finding that there's any brightness settings for that. It's just, it is what it is. So that's 1 with the white flashing there. All right, and then, 2. Like I said, if you got any kind of issues, like, beware. Golly. And then this one just kind of cycles. If you press and hold, that just pauses it at that color. So that's interesting. But otherwise, it would just cycle through. So these lights, it's like super bright. You probably have to get some kind of diffusion. Wow. So those lights were extremely bright. And yeah, so, but this is really nice. And if we look, so let's turn it back off. So if we look, we have where on the side you have the USB Type-C, which I like that. If all of my accessories, like even the Rode Wireless Go, the cameras and stuff like that, they're starting to get USB-C, your phone maybe, got the Osmo Pocket, all that stuff is USB-C chargeable. So you're not having to carry around a whole bunch. You can carry a battery bank and you're good to go. The display is really easy to see. It's like, I don't know how they kind of have that worked out, but it's really, really cool. So I didn't even finish unboxing the actual rest of the things. If I'm going to use a bag like this, you can put extra batteries, cables, and stuff like this in your gear bags. So you have a pouch that you just dump over. So this kind of stuff comes in handy but put one of those gel silica bags in there to absorb any moisture, humidity, and these work really good, so I don't toss these. So we got a little hot shoe adapter thingy. I like getting stuff like this because it's just easy to use when it comes to other stuff that you could apply it to. But the other thing that I like with getting stuff that has extra accessories is that this light and this pouch actually, it gives you already something to put it in, and your whole kit is ready to go, maybe some other stuff, and you got a pouch that already fits and works with it. So I like it a lot. So far for this quick or semi-quick unboxing video, I'm really excited to use this light because I can put it in different scenarios. I can use it to light different effects and stuff like that. So super pumped for Andycine to send this over, and I'll probably do a review after I've been able to use it for some time and more extensively. But let me know, what do you want to see or know about this light or different applications? But I'll probably mostly be using this for like B-roll and then other stuff for my work, for traveling and things like that. But super excited about that. So yeah, this is the Andycine Pocket RGB Light. I could even replace the light back there. Pretty cool.